The president of Hill Farmers Union, Commander Shangpliang, today expressed concern over the farmers' bills passed by the parliament recently. Speaking to the media, Shangpliang said that farmers' bills passed by the parliament are being practiced by the farmers of Meghalaya. He, however, cautioned that some of the provisions in these bills need to be rectified in the Meghalaya context so as to protect the farmers of the state from the clutches of those who financially support the farmers during the sowing seasons.
Yes. So I just want to tell you that this particular bill which the government of India which they have amended, we have already practiced here in Meghalaya. With regards to Meghalaya, the farmer even from Assam or West Bengal, they do come and do the trade activities in Meghalaya. But I just want to tell you one thing, that this particular bill might affect the farmer also, because instead of getting the better price, the traders, the buyer, they exploit the farmer. I'm talking in terms of Meghalaya. So I am afraid that this particular bill may get the upper hand on the buyer, who will exploit the farmer, because now they have the free hands to go and buy even from their farms. And with regards to the contract farming, yes, of course, even in Meghalaya also we do practice contract farming. In case of Meghalaya, what happened? Those particular traders, there is no such agreement. There is no such agreement which is being signed before the actual farming activities. But sometimes the traders, they give money to our farmer, and when the harvest season comes, sometimes the traders, they even harvest by themselves. So there's no such regulation. So here I want to make it very clear that though the contract farming, it's in one way it's good, but that there should be a regulation that the farmer should, the trader should not have the upper hand. Even he can harvest by himself once the harvest season has come. But regarding the essential commodities amendment bill, I think here there's no relevance here, because we don't have much of this particular item which has been listed as the essential commodities. So yeah, in terms of the mainland India, they may have this effect, but in government, in our state, there's not much relevant in our state. So yeah, as I said, so in terms of any bill or amendment, so the interest of the farmers first should be put first. With regards to Meghalaya, from time to time we have been demanding from the government of Meghalaya to at least set up this regulated market. So far there is no regulated market except one in Meghalaya that is meant for agricultural produce, but this also, it's not up to the mark that which we can say that this is a regulated market. So from the union we have demanded that the government of Meghalaya should come out, should build a regulated market, a mandi alike in the mainland, so that the farmer will get the better price. With regards to minimum support price, see, as we are aware, in the mainland India, this minimum support price, they can be implemented only in this regulated market, not outside the regulated market. So yes, so we want that the government of Meghalaya should in fact declare this minimum support price for some item. For example, as our secretary has mentioned, see, the squash, the price of this squash now has come down up to 3 rupees. So it has caused a lot of huge loss to our farmer. So from the union we demanded that the minimum support price should be implemented in some item, if not all the agricultural produce. And specifically for squash, we wanted the government, right now this is the season, we want the government, they should implement this market intervention scheme, so that it should help our farmer who are in huge lot in terms of squash production. Yeah. This year it's really I don't know why, but maybe the expert will be able to tell us. We received so much of rain, and this flood, it's happened not only in West Kasil, across the state. So we have approached the Department of Water Resources and Soil and Conservation, but those department, the reply which we got, that they doesn't have a fund. So again, we wanted the government of Meghalaya to see that the fund is allotted as much as possible to the agriculture and allied sector, because if right now if you don't have a fund, so what can we say? We just end up there only. So we wanted the government, they should allocate the budget maximum to the agri and allied sector.